Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a slightly different one from the usual content we put out. Today it's to do with this Bosch radio we have here. As you can see, it's a DAB radio that was bought from eBay, showing us faulty. There was two available at the time I purchased them. I was just lucky to draw which one I got. Turned out to be the one that wasn't showing any signs of power. So I've already tested with batteries. I've already tested with an AC adapter and still no signs of life, so I'm going to go ahead here now, take it apart and see what we can find, and hopefully get this one back up and running and get it fixed. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Right guys, so as you can see straight away, if my camera will focus here, we can see this wee IC integrated circuit here is completely all bubbled up, as if it's been burnt out by something. Maybe the previous owner put the wrong power adapter in it and burnt it, and just blew that wee chip there. So that is one. Let's take a wee look across the board, see if we can see anything else. Another wee chip there, it's burnt out as well. Now my guess would be those are related to the power. There seems to be two big massive ground planes either side here. For my skill level at the minute, there's not much really I can do. I was hoping this would be something fairly simple, like maybe a wee transistor or a wee fuse or something going, but the fact that there is blown, and then further on down through the circuitry we can see that's blown as well. The only problem I would have would be if I go and buy that wee piece, buy this piece, and use a hot air station to try and replace those bits. My worry would be then that there'll be something else on the board then that would be faulty. And that stage in, I'm just really chasing my tail. Because like I say, this thing, this cost me maybe £99 from eBay, so perhaps it would be good practice for me, but at the minute I just don't want to throw any more money at it than I have already. So I think this is going to be a lost cause, this one, guys, I'm afraid. Who knows, maybe I'll keep an eye out on eBay. I've tried looking this number here, and it's very badly distorted. Even with wee eyepiece, it's really hard to tell which numbers are on it to even order a replacement. And this one down here is just completely, I mean, there's just nothing left in that at all. It's just completely burnt out. So there's a few numbers on here, so even if I get this chip replaced, it's getting this one. I mean, I'm a newbie to this kind of this side of things here, so maybe some of you guys looking at it will go, oh yeah, that's an i4 7 chip or or whatever, but for me that's just an unfortunate one this time, guys, so we're going to have to set it aside, maybe do a revisit on it in the future. So there we have it, another failed fix on that one. As you can see from the board, there was just no fixing that. Sure, we could maybe hunted for the wee processors, the wee chips, the ICs, and maybe bought them and attach them to the board again, but who knows where the fault will go then. You could replace one and I could move on to the next part of the circuit and replace that and move on, fault could move on and on and on. So for the price I paid like £9 for the board for this radio. It's just not really worth trying to fix it any further from that. So maybe if I had a bit more experience in repairs, I could probably do it, but at my level at the minute, it's just not worth my time and effort trying to fix that one there. So we'll have to give that up as a bad job, that one, I'm afraid, and move on to the next one. So if you like what you see on the channel, don't be afraid to give us a wee subscribe and a wee like on the video, and hopefully we'll have more repairs coming up soon and maybe a few more successful ones. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you next time.